guys, it's Dajir. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. So I feel like it literally has been 12,000 million years since I filmed like a makeup tutorial or like a sit down makeup video, just because like I haven't been feeling it. Like honestly, I've been kind of going through it. Like I just haven't been able to sit down, look at myself, hear myself talk, like none of it. But I'm still kind of like in a little bit of a funk. But I really love yellow. Yellow is like my new favorite color. And since it's like summer, I think it's hard. I think it's summer, but like because of quarantine or whatever, I can't go out. So I don't know. To make me feel a little better, I think I'm just going to do like a sunflower yellow, bright summer inspired makeup look. So like, yeah, I don't know. I'm really excited. So if you want to see that, then just keep on watching. So I already did my eyebrows off camera, as you can see. I feel like this lighting looks a little bit weird, but I'm kind of feeling it. So yeah, I did my eyebrows off camera. So now I'm just gonna prime my eyes. Sorry, in the intro I realized I was touching my hair a lot. I feel like it's like a nervous thing that I do, especially when I don't feel like I look like good, which is like, I never really think that, but especially when I like feel self-conscious in a moment, I like touch my hair a lot. But yeah, I'm gonna prime my eyes with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C10. I literally love this concealer to prime my eyes with. It's just very like creamy and very pigmented, and it just holds on to the eyeshadows so beautifully. Like I just really love it. And I get a little bit of a lighter shade. I feel like you can't really tell. I mean, I look tan, but you yeah, I feel like you can't really tell that much. But yeah, I get a little bit of a lighter shade just so it like holds on to the colors more, and it just like makes the colors look very vibrant. So yeah, I would definitely recommend getting this, and it's like huge. I have the new Juvia's Place, not new, it's not new, it's new to me. I have the Juvia's Place concealer that I want to try out. I think I'll try that out maybe in like a next video or something. But right now I just want to play around in like makeup that I know will like do the trick, because like I can't mess up like I can't. So yeah, I'm just gonna prime my eyes, and I am going to be using Juvia's Place, the old trusty dusty love of my life. I'm going to be using the Zulu palette just because they have my favorite yellow of all time. As you can see, I've like hit pan. I need to get a new palette. But yeah, this is the Juvia's Place Zulu palette. We're going to be using that. So first I'm going to take this e.l.f. contour brush. It's like a small flat. I use this brush all the time. I really like it for packing down eyeshadow. I'm just going to take the yellow and pack it a little bit basically on my crease. I'm just going to do both eyes at a time just because like, why not, you know? I'm not already primed this eye. I usually take my eyeshadow very high up to my brow bone, but this time I'm gonna try to keep it like so you can see it, because I think I'm just gonna do like a yellow type smoky eye thing. So yeah, I'm just gonna take the Morphe M441 brush and put some more of that yellow on it and just start blending that out. I'm using a very light hand. I know sometimes like when I rewatch some of my other videos, I'm like, bro, it literally looks like I'm like pushing so hard on my eyeshadow, but I promise I'm not. Like I feel like it just looks like, because of the way I hold it and because my hands are so like big and chunky, I feel like it looks like I'm holding it so aggressively, but I'm really not, I promise. So then I'm just gonna also bring it out a little bit just to like give that very smoky, smooth, like effortless kind of look. And then I'm gonna take like a dry brush cleaner and just like basically wipe off some of the powder from my brush and just try to lightly go over the edges just to blend it out. So I'm actually going to go in with the Makeup Revolution. Is it still called Makeup Revolution? Oh yeah, Makeup Revolution Alexa Stone palette, and it has some of darker yellows. So I'm just gonna take the yellow at the top and put that into my crease. I'm trying literally so hard not to add other colors. I always like have a urge in me to like add other colors and stuff, but like that's why you guys never see me really do like regular one color like looks or like smoky eyes or whatever, because like there's something in me that just wants to add other colors and I'm just like, ugh, fighting that urge right now. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep blending this out and building it up until it's a really vibrant yellow. Okay, if it looks different, it's because I had to redo it because I messed up. Literally, like I said in the beginning. But anyways, I'm gonna take this CC Beauty palette and I'm gonna take the yellow in it and I'm just gonna put that on my lid. Okay, and then I'm gonna tap it just so it like blends out a little more. And then I'm gonna take the Zulu palette. That yellow was basically just to like make the yellow on the lid more vibrant, and I'm just gonna take the yellow from the palette and put it on top of that. And it's actually not blending as good as I would want it to, so I'm actually just going to take the yellow and go into the orange a little tiny bit just to make the yellow darker and put it on the crease to try to blend out that line. Okay, so I look super different from the last time you seen me. My camera stopped recording, so I just like did my foundation. I'm gonna finish up my eyes with you guys, but I just decided to put some of these like cute flowers in my hair, and I feel like I look so cute. Like I look like a little flower child. I love it. I'm like literally living for it. So yeah, that just made me feel a little bit better. Yes, I messed up in this video, so I just had to do something that like would bring back my, I don't know, I just love this. I feel like it looks so cute. Okay, so now that I did that, I put some of highlight in my inner corner. I'm just gonna add a little bit more, and on my brow bone. So now I'm just gonna take any flat, like it's like a slanted flat brush, and I'm gonna go back into the Zulu palette, and I'm gonna take the yellow, of course, and I'm just gonna put it on my lower lash line. I'm just gonna mix the yellow in with a little bit of orange just to give the lower lash line a little bit of something different, and it kind of just makes the yellow look more like darker, which I really like matches my shirt a little bit more. Okay, now I am going to, you know what I kind of want to do? This might mess it up, but I think it might be cute. I think I'm gonna take some of the yellow and just kind of like put it down the bridge of my nose a little bit. Oh yeah, I love that. Okay, I'm gonna put it down the bridge, like the side of my nose, just a little bit, just to kind of make it look like, I don't know, like some blush, but it's yellow. And also maybe I'll put it on the tip of my nose too. Yeah, that's cute, that's cute. Okay. You're like, girl, that's not cute, but I think it's cute. Okay, so I'm just gonna do that some more and put it on the tip of my nose. Oh, this is coming together and I'm obsessed with it. Okay, it looks so cute. I feel like this is so cute. This is giving me so much life. Okay, so yeah, now that I did that, literally it gave me so much life. Now I am going to you know what I kind of want to do? I just got the idea to do. I need to stop doing things because like it might mess up, but I don't know, I'm kind of feel like this might be cute. I'm gonna kind of do like a liner with highlighter, like with this light one, kind of like do like a on my lower, on my, you might not even see it once I put on my lashes, but I feel like it might kind of be a little cute. So I'm just gonna take a flat brush and I'm gonna take Summer in the ABH Sun Dipped Glow Kit, and I'm just gonna kind of like do a little line. beautiful. Okay, I love that. And then I think I'm gonna maybe do some on my lower lash line too. I just like the way that it's like making it look. Wow, I love this. Okay. Period. Okay, so now that I did that, I think I'm going to, I may be going a little overboard, but I think I'm gonna put a little bit of the yellow like on my cupid bow. I'm kind of just trying to make the highlighter look like a yellow highlighter a little bit. I think that's cute. Period. Okay, so now I'm gonna do my lips, and then I'm gonna do my eyelashes off camera, just because like they take forever to do. But I think I'm gonna do like a nude lip. So I'm just gonna take this NYX Liquid Suede lipstick in the shade LSCL22. Actually, I think it has a name. It is in the shade Downtown Beauty, and I'm just gonna line my lips with this. Okay, and now I'm gonna take Sandstorm, like NYX Liquid Lipstick and Sandstorm. I'm just gonna put it in the middle. I love yellow and browns together. I think it's so cute. So I think I'm gonna go off camera, put on some lashes, and then I'll come back for like the finished reveal. I'm so excited. Okay. So I put on some lashes. I added a little bit more yellow to my nose, just because like, I don't know, I really liked it. I really liked the way that it looks. I feel like it adds something to a very simple look. Like I just feel like it makes me look very like, I don't know. And you know what? You guys are like, please stop while you're ahead. But I think I'm gonna add some like kind of like to my highlight area, just to like bring everything all together. I think that's cute. I need a brush that's a little bit smaller. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, I think that's so cute. It's like bringing it all together, and I'm kind of gonna like connect it right here with the eyeshadow. Cute. Okay. Oh my god, I wish you guys could see my filming table right now. It's literally, you don't even want to know. It's a hot mess. This is the finished look. I would definitely recommend, first of all, these are like, well, I have these just lying around in my house, but they were originally from the dollar store. So I would definitely recommend getting like some dollar store flowers and just like recreating something like this, even if it's like a simple smoky eye, whatever, but whatever color flowers that you choose, put some on your nose, put some on your, I don't know, I just feel like it makes you feel very cute. Like I feel like I look like a sunflower goddess. Like I just love everything about this, and it just makes you feel better. It makes you feel like free, especially if you like doing makeup, then it'll just like make you feel better, I feel like. So I would definitely recommend doing this. Yeah, this is the finished look. I had so much fun doing this. I'm hoping that I'm going to start be posting more. I just haven't been feeling it, like I was saying, with like mental health and stuff, but I have a lot of video ideas that I feel like I want to do, so hopefully I'll be able to achieve that, since I did this video and it made me feel like pretty good. So yeah, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload. I hope you have an amazing, beautiful day in summer. Please recreate this look. I promise it makes you feel so like bad, like powerful. Yes. I just love it. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Oh, by the way, if you guys want to know how I did this, it might be harder if you don't have like with this twist, because I just like took the little stems and they're like moldable, so I just molded it into a circle and basically like twisted it around my twist. But I guess if you have like regular hair and want to put a little bit more time into it, you might have to like hot glue or something these onto bobby pins, and then just bobby pin them onto your hair. Like, yeah, but that's how I did it, just in case you guys were wondering.